in southern New Jersey. East Central Mercer County in central New Jersey. At 6:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from source. Radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines responsible. Locations impacted include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Roosevelt, Mamaloking, Allenwood, East Freehold, Six Flags Theme Park, West Freehold, Casville, and Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 89 and 107. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of the building. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Ocean. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, central Philadelphia, eastern Pennsylvania. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flooding of small groups in areas, points, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Riverside, Palmyra, West Numming, Tacony, Pennsauken, Cinnamon, and Riverton. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 340. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 31. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware